Namaste and welcome to Me and Books Club channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of human history with Yuval Noah Harari's acclaimed book, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. Let's explore the key concepts that have shaped our journey from prehistoric times to the modern era. The Cognitive Revolution. Harari begins by discussing the cognitive revolution, which occurred around 70,000 years ago. This period marked a significant leap in human cognitive abilities, enabling us to develop complex language, create art, and form larger social groups. These changes laid the foundation for human dominance on Earth. The Agricultural Revolution. The Agricultural Revolution, which began around 10,000 years ago, transformed human societies from hunter-gatherer communities to settled agricultural civilizations. This shift allowed for the growth of larger populations, the development of cities, and the rise of complex societies. The unification of humankind. Harari explores how human societies began to unify through shared myths, religions, and ideologies. The spread of empires, trade networks, and the rise of major world religions played a crucial role in bringing diverse cultures together. The Scientific Revolution. The Scientific Revolution, which began in the 16th century, marked a dramatic shift in human understanding of the natural world. Harari highlights how scientific advancements have transformed our societies, leading to technological innovations, industrialization, and the modern world as we know it. The Capitalist Creed. Harari delves into the rise of capitalism and its impact on global economies. He explains how the capitalist system has driven economic growth, innovation, and globalization, while also raising questions about inequality and sustainability. The Anthropocene and future prospects. Finally, Harari discusses the current era, known as the Anthropocene, where human activity is the dominant influence on the planet's ecosystems. He raises thought-provoking questions about the future of humanity, considering advances in biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and the challenges of climate change. Conclusion and final thoughts. Yuval Noah Harari's Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, provides a captivating overview of our species' journey through time. It's a must-read for anyone interested in understanding the forces that have shaped human history. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through Sapiens. I hope this helps. If you need any more details, do comment below. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.